To turn on or off captions on Instagram Reels. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device and navigating to the Reels section. Once you are in the Reels section, play the video for which you want to turn on or off captions. On the video playback screen, look for the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots icon to open a menu with various options. From the menu, select the Captions option. If you want to turn on captions, make sure the Captions option is enabled. If it is already enabled, you will see the captions at the bottom of the video playback screen. If you want to turn off captions, simply disable the Captions option from the menu. Alternatively, you can also turn on or off captions from the Instagram settings. To do this, go to your Instagram profile and tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings and then Accessibility. In the Accessibility settings, look for the Captions option and toggle it on or off as desired. Enabling this option will turn on captions for all videos on Instagram, including Reels. Disabling this option will turn off captions for all videos. It is worth noting that not all videos on Instagram have captions available. Captions are typically provided by the video creator or automatically generated by Instagram. If captions are not available for a particular video, you will not be able to turn them on. By following these steps, you can easily turn on or off captions on Instagram Reels and enhance your video watching experience. Remember to adjust the captions settings according to your preferences to get the most out of Instagram Reels.